What up, everybody? The job. It sucks. Sucks ass. I mean, I guess it's okay, but I don't like it. And I'm planning on doing a 2-week notice. So, I just work 2 weeks for a little bit of money. It's just not worth it. And in my point of view, the way I see it, me get paid every day, like in person, is way better than working for 2 weeks and get nothing. Because at least that way I can get gas, you know? That's just my personal opinion. But today we're going to try and bleed the master cylinder. This is what I got. I got a metal stick holding the pedal down. And now we're just going to bleed it right where these hoses are. And we're going to see if this will fix our damn problem. Because we're starting to think that, I know this master cylinder was like brand new, but now it's not. So we're wondering maybe if this is bad. But I heard, if I can remember which way it is to loosen it. Where's the towel? I hope this works, because we're probably going to have to get a new master cylinder. We're that close to buying a new master cylinder. Someone's back there shooting. Today is not the day, apparently. I should probably go get my rifle. Would that be something? And then they said to tighten that up, release it, and continue the process like 5 more times. So that was one. Now we're going to do it again. And this will be 2. Alright, tighten her back up. Release it. cylinder really is not bad. I hope it's good. It's getting pretty hard. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. All right, we're coming up to the third. All right, we're gonna lock that into place. And I might get the brakes while I'm at it too. The engine will have to be running. This is the bleed to. I also got a new foam cover too. While I was at it. Pretty dope. From like Dollar General or something like that. You can get them. You can get them there. They had it in the front. I was just like, oh, hey, let's get that. Because the one I previously had was ugly looking and like worn out. Get it nice and snug. Let's see here. So this is going to be the fourth. So we have one more after this. And then I guess we'll fire it up if we can, and then do the wheels, and hopefully that will be the end of it. That's right, so this is the final time. Go ahead and seal that up. Alright, so that should be the final time. 9 minutes of that. Let me see when it's starting to it feel like? Getting any better? I don't know if it's supposed to get softer or harder. I think that did the trick. It is hard. There should be some resistance, right? It should be really hard. But that was hard, and I think that might have done it. That might have done the trick. Now let's see if we can do the wheels. I'm gonna need a jack for that because I don't want to crawl down there. I just want to jack it up, turn the wheel manually, and then manually loosen it. The rear end, yeah, that one's gonna be a bit tricky. Did you guys not hear those gunshots? I wish I had a pistol on me, like a revolver or something. That'd be dope. I might actually buy one. Nah, because then I'd have to have a whole bunch of shit. Like, I have to have paper and all that stuff for it. I want to buy a rifle. I got a 44 lead rack. Or an Emerald Grand. I'm gonna get mine. Like probably put a bunch of money in it now, and it's trying to sell it for like $25 now. It's hard to drive with everything. New paint job. Got rid of the flatbed. Put a why'd you do that? Leave the flatbed on there. You know what I mean? Damn, Jack. I'm telling you, working in the dirt is not fun. I just got a glump of grass and stuff. Yeah, I don't have to jack it up a whole lot, just a little bit. I did receive a $100 gift card from Higginbotham, and that was pretty dope. And that card is active. I figured that'd be cool. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I like to do. Three-eighths wrench. So you jack it up just a little bit, and you turn the wheel. Oh yeah, and the key has to be fucking. Turn the wheel all the way, as much as you can. And this allows you to get to it, like so. And I forgot which way it went. Like a noob I am, like a dumbass I am. Now, it has to be this way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, I'm gonna get a ratchet wrench because I don't know which way I'm going. Righty tighty. So it's up. It should be up, right? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay? So I'm loosening it right now. And it's just stripped out. The wrench just popped off. This booger, got it. Oh, there was some air in that line that time. Just gonna run that a little bit until there's pop her open. Let's see how much brake we lost. There goes nothing. Okay, good there. We're gonna need a screwdriver. It's not budging. That should do something. When it comes to putting master cylinder cover back on, you're always got to use a screwdriver. And it's not the brake booster. I know that for sure. I know for a fact that the brake booster is fine. Alright, let's turn it the other way now. Do the other side. Why does it turn so much one way and not much on the other? So I'm just going to skip this and just go on the other side and just break it. Just leave it out. Okay, now we're doing the passenger side. So that's going to be opposite. Yeah, I can't even see the damn thing. So it should be. Isn't it? Nope. Still the same way, right? So it is the way I was previously. I was originally. That one was a bitch. That one was a real bitch. Goodness gracious. Booger was tight. That was a really tight one. Whoa. Okay, the sun came out and that's a bit suspicious. We should probably go inside. Sure, the sun just mysteriously comes out. I don't like it. Okay, the neighbor's leaving. I'm fucking ready, man. I ain't playing around. It's just too quiet. Very suspicious. It's just too damn quiet. Usually when the sun comes out, it's usually a bad sign. Or who knows, it might be the opposite. It might actually be a good sign. Because I did catch that on camera. This is the city limits. And there was shooting over there. Little 22 fits me just right. It's the right size for me. I don't need anything bigger or anything shorter. It's just too quiet. It's just too quiet. Gunshots and then it goes silent. It's weird. So weird. It's just too quiet. Bitch. I'm locking that damn door. But yeah. Perfect size. This is my perfect size. Little 22 pump action. It's just right. Yeah, I just didn't like it. It was just too quiet. Heard gunshots. Then it went quiet. And then the sun came out. Might have been a good sign, might have been a bad sign. I don't know. Was I scared? No, I had so much confidence. Bro, I was ready, bro. I was like, fuck this shit, man. But yeah, I thank the Lord I was able to get this gun in my hands. I'm glad I have it. So I mean, to some point in the video, I pulled this knife out too. Because I didn't like it, not at all. It was just a bit suspicious. But if you guys are watching this, it means nothing happened. And I was just going off. My survival instincts kicked in. It was good practice, though. You were soldiers doing that at the corner and stuff. Just right there in the plain open. I can never, and I always keep my door locked. You guys want to know? So you guys want to know a thing or two? Welcome back to another Western Devil Survival Instincts. Today we're showing you guys, keep yourself safe. Number one, have a gun somewhere where you can get to it. It could be 22 pump action, 22 semi-auto, it could be 44 lever action, 45-70 lever action, it could be 40 caliber pistol or 9mm or shotgun, 12 gauge or 410 gauge. It could be a 410 shotgun. It could be a 410 semi-auto or double barrel, or it could be a 12 gauge single, it could be a 410 single barrel or double barrel or semi-auto shotgun, 410 shotgun, or it could be a single barrel, double barrel, semi-auto, 12 gauge or 20 gauge, or in this case 10 gauge. They do make a 10 gauge. Hunting rifles will work just fine. It might be a little extreme. Revolvers, if there's any like old school revolvers, like black powdered revolvers out there, that could work too. If you got like modern machine guns, that can also work. If you have an Uzi chambered in 9mm, that could also work. You know? But this is all I have. It's old school, man. I told you I'm an old school person. I like the idea of going old school. So this gun is old school. So it just matches what I'm going for. That's why, another reason why I don't go for any modern vehicles, because, well, it's too new. It's not what I'm looking for. But another way to survive is get yourself a brand new doorknob. Now I got this doorknob at Walmart. It's pretty cheap. So basically how you want it, you want this on the outside. Okay, you want that on the outside. Now, you probably don't want to get this design. You might want to get a doorknob with a key. So you might want to get a doorknob with a key on that side. But you're definitely going to want this right here. See this? You're going to want that. So you want this end facing into your room. That way if they come in, they can't just like do that and just immediately just open and get in your bedroom. So you want it like that. Put it in, lock it. That will slow them down and give you time to react. And then you just obviously, and now the second thing you want to do is take cover. Find something like a chair or something and get low, get really low. So let's say I had my gun. I'd be sitting right here aiming that way. So I'll be like that, just sitting here just aiming. And if they open that door, bam, pop around in them. And they'll be like, oh shit, what the fuck? And they're going to get out of there. So yeah, yes, we did have quite the dust up. I guess you could call it that. Survival instinct kicked in. My survival instincts kicked in. We got the truck blade. We don't know until we drive it. I'm going to have to redrive it. Give it another drive and see what all still works. But I feel confident that time I did good. I did what the dude said on the video. I bled the master cylinder. It looks like it did have a little bit of air in that master cylinder because there was nothing. And then finally it caught. So yes, you want to hold the pedal down. So if you guys don't know how to do it, you can excuse me. I'm so sorry. If you guys don't know how to do it, you can play it back and watch it again. So basically what you do is you hold the pedal down, and then now the pedal has to stay down. That's why I had the bar to hold the pedal down. So you hold the pedal down, then you go up there and you loosen it a little bit until you see fluid coming out. Then you close it, then you do the other side. When you see the fluid, close it. Then you go back in there, remove the bar, let the pedal come back up, and then you repeat that process like 5 or 6 times. I did 5 times, and it felt really stiff. It probably could use another 2 times. It probably could have used another couple. It did have a slight soft spot, but yeah, that felt good. That felt really good. It was definitely getting softer. That's for sure. Yeah, but now, with the year of the truck, you might want to do that while it's running. So while the truck is running and idling, so you put the truck in park, you crank it up, let it run, and then you do the whole process of bleeding the master cylinder. Then you do that bar, and then you do all that. You're probably going to want to do it while it's running. I did it while it wasn't running. You're supposed to do it while they are running, because they're designed like that. But we'll see. We'll see how it works. I'm not going to try it today because I'm not going back outside. Nope, that was too scary. No, thank you. But I'm going to see you guys on the next one. I might do a 2-week notice on my job. I'm really not having fun. I was having fun, but then it kept repeating itself, and then it just the same old shit every day, and just constantly repeating, and it just was no longer fun. Maybe I should get some music to play while I'm working. But yeah, it's just not. I wanted the job, but not like that. It just wasn't fun. It just was not fun. It was not a fun job. It felt like slavery to me. To me, it felt like slavery. It was just awful. I just didn't like it. I did learn a thing or two. Like looking for the number and everything. That was pretty cool to learn about that. That was pretty fun to learn about that. But then it just got repetitive, and I just couldn't take it no more. That pretty much half that day, I did not do shit. Pretty much, I did stay in the room, not the breaker room, but the green room where they unload all the stuff, and just argue with my mom. Like, let me fucking quit. Let me quit. My cousin Ethan earned more money than this. My cousin Ethan would go out and do jobs. Like, he would go out and help people. Like this old. These elderly couple need some stumps dug up. They need some tree stumps dug up. Yeah, he did a bunch of that, and he got more money doing that than I did with this. I haven't even received my check yet. I've been working for 2 fucking weeks, and I haven't even get my check. Presumably, I'm gonna get my check this week. But if it's cancer, I'm probably gonna bail, because no. I thought this job was fine, and I thought YouTube was fine, but YouTube's not being very good because for some reason people don't like real content, and they like the fake shit. So my channel is doing poorly, as ever. It has always been doing poorly. Yeah, I don't know. I want to do something more like me. I want to mow. Mow when it's fun to me. I like mowing. I can easily do that. I have a lot of fun cutting the big stuff. I don't want to cut just some poor, like tall grass. No, I want to cut some big fucking weeds. Weeds that are like this high up. I want to mow them suckers down. Like, that's more fun. It's more enjoyable. Is my mower gonna do it? It's motivating. This job, working at Higabun, it's just not motivating. I'm not enjoying it. It's just not motivating. It's just not fun. But yeah, I'll let you know. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. And no, I did not do that for no reason. I did have a reason to actually grab my gun and go out and search my property. Because I didn't like it. It did not feel good. Also, look at the new boots. I know they're plain boring, but they should help with my foot situation. Does this calendar have like... It says US on this calendar. I don't know what that is. What the fuck does that mean? Let me know. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. And also, one more thing. Merry fucking Christmas.